Hello. Good. Hello. Oh, water. Perfect. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the stream number 70. I have decided that I will be coming live 11 a.m. in the morning, approximately 1 hour before the London session. Yes. For like around 2 hours I will be right here, and then in the New York session 2 hours in the New York session, and some occasional late night live streams. So my friends, I am coming to live streaming full time, okay, and this is the announcement, the big announcement of the year. Now you must be saying how big a announcement it is. It is, my friends, because due to this 4 hours stream per day, approximately 5 hours, every day will be full of full of thrill, right? Every day will be full of thrill. Now my friends, the thing is, 2 hours of a live stream in the morning, and then 2 hours of a live stream in the evening, and then 1 hour in the approximately 4 hours or 3 hours before the NY close. So 9 p.m. or 9:30 p.m., 10 p.m. that time, my local time, okay. So if you want to calibrate your clocks, just in case, okay, this is the my time, UTC plus 5, okay, 11:22. So this session the morning session will be from maybe like in the first 1 month you have to give me this little bit of flexibility between 10:30 till 1. Okay, and my friends, these stream will be uh, very much interactive, and I think now it can finally bring a change. Right, perfect. We will be connected in the chat room. Okay, we will be connected in the chat room. I will be trying to cover the intraday, the day trading aspects, and wherever there is psychological stuff needed, I will be explaining that a lot of the stuff. Let's head over to gold. Did you like yesterday's trade? How beautiful. My friends, like after 4 months I saw gold and I found that setup of 1500. I mean, that was like a jackpot type of a setup. Now, my friend, if I tell you there was a selling opportunity on the gold, okay, but that got failed. Yesterday, I guess we bought from right here, maybe right here, maybe right here. Whatever that was, yesterday was yesterday. Let's focus for today. What I'm going to do is I will be dragging this line slightly. Then I will be looking at it on the H1, okay, as this. Now things are very clear. Beautiful pattern it is, not very bad. See, it was the yesterday's stuff. Okay, so I will be dragging it as this, but I think this will not be that much of a strong support. Now this is the H1, okay, and we are discussing day trading right here. You want to become a day trader, so here God has sent someone to guide all of those traders who really need guidance. Anyways, yes, so this is what it is at the moment. Since you know, my friends, this is life, okay? Live streaming is like something that help the mentor and the trader connect together, okay? Some since I'm resuming these live streams after 3-4 months now, so I definitely would like to tell you something about the purpose of these live streams and its future. What I was saying is, that what is the future of these live streams. This is very much important to know what we will be doing in these live streams. And the thing is, my friends, as I said, this is a big announcement. Why I said it? You know, if I tell you in my lifetime, if I like, it is related to the live one-on-one and stuff. I think maybe for some time I want to focus on my YouTube channel. Okay, and for that I have to stop the one-on-one sessions as well. Right? Yes, I will be making one Telegram channel soon. I have one, but I did not purchase the pro version of the Telegram. So in my region it is a little bit limited. I have little headache as well. This light there, you know. You know, my friends, I want to tell you a truth. Okay, I want to tell you a truth. What is that truth? My friends, that truth is this market has created me little bit silent. Okay, little bit different from other people. This was that trade yesterday, okay, and I highly recommend all of you to check that. Okay, it was as this. Okay, my take profit was 164 pips in the live stream, but I also said that this is the situation. See, and then yesterday I said that this level is going to be for a sell, so a sell also worked very well. See how much profit did it give. Then people say we are losing money. Then I say, why people lose money? After all, why people lose money? Huh? Why people lose money, my friend? Tell me. Let's see. I'm turning off this for a little while. Well, yes, this trend has got broken, but we have to find next that, because obviously this is also a buy level as well. Okay, see, this is a buy level. You just have a look at it. But what does that mean? Is this trend line, is this breakout fake then? Let's see the bigger picture a little bit. Yesterday I said that okay, if we see, this is a very strong level, by the way. Well, I think on the 15-minute there is a very good opportunity. Scalping one, let's see. Good opportunity is spotted right here. Let's move to the 1 minute. But like, there is still time left in the London session to open. See this level. See. And see this level, this level, this level, this level. So, well, on the lower time frames, yes, people are taking part in buy, but when I switch to the 1 minute chart for scalping, here is this trend. This is the first trade, okay, of the day, and here I took it. But this one has a stop loss of around 90 pips and a take profit of around this much. This is currently running. Now this is not a trade signal or something, but this is what it is at the moment. A little bit aggressive entry this is, okay, but whatever is present in the market, that is present. Pretty much like how much? Target is risk to reward is 1.42. Well, not bad, but I think let's see, trend line study. See, this trend line all the way was coming back down. Let's see it as this trend line, this. Maybe in the London session they come back down, take the liquidity and then take it over, or whatever the situation will be. But I think let's see after this trade what I will be executing. Right, it should not close below this zone. Yes, this is true. This is a whole game of liquidity, my friends. Okay, liquidity. I think the first trade of the day will be gone, I think. Handsome risk it has. But reward is also not bad. Reward is also how much? Uh, 3295. What? How many pips is this? 329 pips. Yes, 329 pips and 244. Yes, so around $24 of a risk, and reward will be around 34. Good comeback of the bull right here. I mean, literally good comeback of the bull. But we have to see. Yeah, bro, you know, let me tell you something. I have spent 10 years in this market. The more serious you are, the more tough time this market will give you. Okay? Wow. Nicely going up. When we see the market with trend lines perspective, it becomes decent enough, easy. I say in my local language that मजा आ जाएगा. मजा आ जाएगा बच्चा. इस ट्रेड का मजा आएगा. It will be really fun if I win this trade, by the way. Well, bull struggled, no doubt. Bull struggled. Let's see 5 minute candle, okay? 5 minute, we have 4 seconds. Slightly bullish, okay? Slightly bullish, it closed. Well, yes, my friends, on the 5 minute, it also seems good. 300 pips. Is it 300? It is 34. I don't understand this trading view thing. 300 for such a small zone is too much, my friends. But these days gold moves so fast. Pip value has increased. Pip value has increased. Is there anyone with me in the chat? Wow, two viewers show up in the chat right here, my friend. No, I think it's taking a little bit more time. If I took it as this, it would be good. But anyways, hmm. 5 minute, let's see. We still have 18 minutes left. I mean, this is a very tiny setup right here. Like, see, this is a very tiny setup inside this one candle. This is a scalping stuff. Okay, this trade was proper day trading. This was day trading, nicely hold, overnight hold it required, overnight hold it required. Okay, so from here now, if I tell you the next move is expected to be as this. Okay, in the NY session we will be covering this further, and this trend line will be proven fake. Right now the one that I'm holding as a buy is because that is just a tiny setup, okay, tiny setup, and it can fail as this. But when it fail, what I will think is, I will think nothing. This is my day-to-day stuff. Okay, if I try to cry for each and every stop loss, I will not be able to consistently make profits. Yes, my friends, this is true. Let's see, bulls are still struggling hard. Even from right here it can take a good bounce. Okay, but I just don't want to get involved in scalping from right now because we have the whole day left. Okay, if it is right here it will be very good, but then the risk to reward will be something else. That will like be as this. Okay, if we see the yesterday I discussed this trade from here till here. So let's move it for now till here. Now the next move seems to be how? Not till there, but at least up till here. Okay, yes, approximately. So this will be one, again 1400 pips of a move with a stop loss of 470 and a risk to reward of how much? How much risk to reward? 1.73. Yes, this is a little bit bigger one, but the original one that is running, and that is this. The scalping one that currently is active in this market is this. Okay, and this is such a tiny scalping setup. Okay, it can fail in a blink of an eye, so one need proper practice before trading this scalping stuff. This program is purely for educational purposes. Okay, do your own research before investing in the market. Yeman, Trump's speech, what were? Well, I didn't see Trump's speech. I try to rely purely on technicals. Nice comeback of the Bulls. They are struggling to break this zone, but they cannot break it. Come on, bulls, try, push it up. Okay, call out to point in rehearsal. Okay. 4596.27. See, this is the entry. The stop loss is around 4571 and the take profit is 4630. There is a likely chance that this take profit can further exceed, just like yesterday. But yesterday I exited pretty much early. So I try to not stay more in the market when I'm scalping. Okay. I said if I was a position trader, I would definitely, my stop loss would be below this 45.50 somewhere, and my take profit would be a proper 61.8, and I see it is going up there. I expect it is going up there to this Fibonacci on the H1. Let me highlight this area. 4700, it is going back there. Right, but I think in the next 11 minutes, if this take profit is not hit, I have to leave the market maybe at break even, and it has a real thing behind it. Okay, there is a real thing behind it. I will have this fear in my mind that where is my pen anyways, that this candle, let's say if even if it closes as a pin bar, the next candle can open and come back down and try to take the retest of this previous candle. This is classic price action. So for me, hitting this take profit this hour is very much important. Otherwise, if it is postponed to the next hour, then I think then this stop loss is compromised. Okay, this is completely compromised. So see, we have still 10 minutes left. Let's see. I wish and I hope my take profit gets hit this hour, because the next hour maybe on the 1 minute market can dip again on the H1. People will start to sell. They will say okay, the pin bar was wrong. So the trade is nicely in a profit of around 106 pips. Well, if you are a day trader and if you look for 100 pips, I think close 50%. Okay, 100 pips is very nice. Did you close or not? Because I'm holding 9 minutes further, then I will see what I need to do. But remember, this level in the first 2 hours of the London session seems very ideal to me. Okay, anyways, let's see. I am holding this trade. Okay, these are highly accurate setups. They give at least something. By something I mean, you see, 100 pips, it's already giving instantly. So what else do we need? Can you guys hear me nicely? Let's see. Okay, do you want any background music? It can take another dip as well from there back till here. Keep that in mind. But it can, I'm not saying it will, because till at this stage still it is strongly bullish. Wow, fantastic. Fantastic and fantastic. Entry was 45 entry was 45.96. Take profit is 46.30 approximately. It's still struggling, and anyone who want to leave at least 30%, 114 pips it's giving. If it hit the whole area, it will be around 336 pips. If it hit the whole take profit. But this whole area seems a little bit tricky, I should say. This whole C consolidation started from here, then here as well. So let it go out of this zone, then we see. Okay, gold is a very beautiful pair if one understands it. Coming back down, it should now ideally take a reversal from approximately this zone, even this zone. Yes, this same thing is happening. Okay, we still have 5 minutes left. In the meantime, let's have a look at the euro dollar. Got rejected from the trend line as expected again, and this will be a position trade. Okay, this is almost ready for a buy. Between this zone, like buy, and this is also, but it is ready for a very sharp buy. Okay, let's deal our trade very nicely. It's taking too much time. Let it complete this wave first, then we see. Okay, if our stop loss survive, then no selling at this stage. Okay, no, I think this hour my take profit did not hit. My friends, let's see. I think the next hour is going to be so much tricky. Yes. Let me see if there are any clouds. Wow, nice weather outside. I want to open the window, but then the room will become so much noisy. Let's see. I wish it continues straight up. We have 2 minutes left, and then the London session will open. Hundred pips go nicely. Bulls eagerly waiting to buy near this zone, aggressively waiting for it. 45.82. But on a scalping zone, this is also a buying level. Okay, I took it right here, and this is the place. Let's see, this is also a buying level. Okay, another fresh buying level it created. See, this is A, this is B, this is correction, continuation. Try to look at the market this way. Okay, we have 1 minute left. Okay, this did not happen. This is still like, as far as the market is below this zone 46.08, it will be approaching 45.81. Volume has reduced. I'm not sure if you have the volume data. Bulls taking part in it nicely, and market trying to take a curve. See, as it was coming down, 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 right here it started to push up. Now it's the bulls' turn if they want to take part in it. Wherever there is good liquidity, market will be going up there, and if it suddenly drop and stop us out, then watch the program from the beginning and you will understand the logic behind this trade. Remember, no trade is free from risk. Okay, there will be risk, and that's why these are probabilities. That's why we put stop losses. Try to choose a good broker from slippage or stuff like that to be safe. HK Wines, hi, how are you doing? Welcome to the live stream. Finally you come to the live stream. 10:30 till 1 p.m. 10:30 a.m. till 1 p.m. my time. See, this is my time. 10:30 till 1, and then 5 p.m. till 8 p.m. Keep this in mind, and maybe then 11 p.m. one session till 12 p.m. to wrap up everything. So this is running at the moment. Even there is another thing established, and that is the ABCD pattern, as this and as this. Let's see, clone, as this. So there are like these fresh bulls entered from right here as well. Okay, with this much of a stop loss and that much of a take profit, but I'm already holding a buy position, so I'm not adding one more direction right here. Otherwise it's going nicely. Hourly candle closed bearish engulfing. Let me show you. here. This, see, let's delete everything. Let me do it for you again. See, bullish and engulfing pin bar, I mean. And on the 1 minute, this is the situation why I took this entry. Market nicely dropping, and all of a sudden we have seen a change of character right here. Okay, so by the time market was right here, I took this by entry. $46.30 is the actual take profit, and 45.72 approximately is the stop loss. Pretty much like around 300 pips of a zone it is. And now this market is turning to this side of the market, like, see, bearish trend cancelled by a bullish one. So that's why the bulls are taking part in it. Did you get it? I hope you do. Again it has reached to this trouble area, no problem, and it can again come back down, take a retest of it. Will be keep testing this trend line again and again, but the more time passes, the more this trend line should continue higher. Okay, original stop loss is right here. Maybe it can drop till here again, like as I'm saying, keep saying it. As soon as I executed the position, I'm saying it that from there it can drop till here. But let's see, why will it drop here? Maybe then that will be the false move then, because the actual one is this buy. The actual one is this buy. On the H1 and M30 we have good candles as well. On the H1 a pin bar as well. Though H4 will close in next 2 hours, so let's see, maybe yes. I think it should hit the take profit in these 2 hours. Okay. Maybe this time they can break it. Those who didn't book 100 pips right here, now they can book it. Okay. Till at this stage I am not teasing around with the stop loss. Volume again disappeared. This level is still holding very tight. I mean, this is still bullish. Okay. I know gold from its roots. 10 years I have spent reading charts, sleepless nights. Come on, bulls, try 46.30. But I think it's not going to stop there. Then the rally might be very sharp. Okay. The rally will be 4700. Remember, till NY session, maybe during NY session. Free of cost, these setups I'm explaining. Despite of this, if one is losing, I'm not sure why one will be losing money. And even this entry is a little bit late. The actual place was this, or this. But still, like, there is that strategy. Thank you, HK Wines. Keep working hard on it. Keep practicing it. This level seems a trouble area, so I would prefer to close some here, okay? 50% maybe. Or at least if I'm not closing, I am reducing the stop loss a little bit now. This level is not exactly broken, but let's see. This is another signal for a further bulls. Okay, just one moment. Wow, nicely moving. It's moving very, very nicely. Wow. My friend, volume disappeared, okay? These people, their targets are hit. Those who took it as this, their targets are hit. See, their targets are hit. How? This is A, this is B, then B, this become B, this is C, and this is D. On a D, it should recover a little bit back to where? To the previous broken point, which is this broken point you see. But it doesn't mean we are selling, we are still bullish. Okay, why? Because our whole mindset is bullish all the way from here. Yes, this is much important. We are bullish, and inside this bullish it can drop till here, till this trend line again. Close 50%. Okay, look at it on the H1. My friend, on the H1 it can go till here. Okay, so this is the actual, like, this trade can be like one can hold it till there, 46.58 today. I wish it hit this level, then it drop, then we take another nice buy, then a drop, then nice buy, back till 46.59. Wow, 15-minute closed as a breakout candle. Now nicely, I mean, beautiful setup it is. Okay, very beautiful setup. Okay, I will see HK Wines. I will see USD CAD as well. USD CAD, let's see. Okay, if my previous analysis there, it will be easy. If I, oh my friend, oh, look at this. Look at this prediction, a drop from there till here it did. Then look at this prediction, an up move from here, and oh, nice. Let's delete not everything, but something. Okay, first thing first, trend line. This is my trend. Oh, there is an entry running as well on the weekly. I must have discussed it at the start of March. No, my friend, the take profit is not yet exactly hit. Let's wait a little bit, okay? Maybe this week, wait for it. If specifically you are looking for today, then I think today... Well, no, I will say for intraday day trading, it's not good today. I think price started to consolidate right here, so it can dip back down to 46.13. But it doesn't mean we are selling, okay? We are still bulls. We are still bulls and we will remain be bulls. You know, my friends, this Forex thing is a thing of patience. It is not something that one will like just close his eyes and just think I'm doing good and will do. No, Forex is not as that, my friends. People has made it complicated. Well, I think take profit is hit okay. I will say leave the position. Leave it. This is done now. Let's count how many pips booked. 309. No, sorry. Around 300, right? 300. Why 300? Because the entry is right here, and the exit is right here. Around 298 somewhere. Let's lock it, and this was the best trade of the day, I should say. 300 pips, and yet the London session open. And if I want to trade, I can trade further. Now, if you guys have any questions, anything, try to come a little bit on time to the stream so that you guys don't miss these trade. Very fantastic one. Around some people must have got $100 from it, some $300. And see, the original take profit already hit, which was what? 46.30. But I prefer this one for now, and it is continuing further high. But right here, if one is holding, this person is holding the one that I am telling you, who is holding as this person is still holding, okay, as this, sorry, this person is still holding it as this. So I have friends, to them I gave this trade and they are holding it, nice profit. I mean, the day intraday trades can give good profits as well if one understand it nicely. So more on this in the NY session, okay. If you are holding, you can hold, you can manage, you can do this, that. And in the meantime, till then, try to watch some of my videos at least, okay. So yes, this was a little stream. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you made profit from it. And if you watch it on a later date, the recorded version of this, thank you for watching, and I hope you must have learned something from it. Okay, gold is bullish today, so let's see what it gives us then. Take a lot of care of yourself. See you next time in the NY session. Goodbye. I'm ending the session a little bit early, 12:22 p.m. it is right here. My original time is 1 p.m. but I think I hit the target, so there is nothing further right here with me. My streams are new as well. If you guys want, I can teach something, or otherwise we meet in the NY session with another trade opportunity, 5 p.m. okay. Calibrate your times right here. This is my time right now, UTC +5. So yes, take care. See you in the NY session, right? I'll catch you.